Hello and welcome! Did you know that our Imalytics Preclinical software comes with several handy shortcuts? In this video I'll show you how they work and how they can make your image analysis workflow faster and easier. Let's start by opening the software. This is our Imalytics Preclinical, and first I will load an example dataset. Under Tutorials, General, Introduction, load example dataset. To make things clearer, I also open a few slice views and the 3D rendering, and I will rotate it a little bit. I zoom out. Here we go. The keyboard shortcuts in Imalytics Preclinical let you access key functions quickly and efficiently, and you can find a list of them under Help, and then Shortcuts, and here's the full list, and I'll walk you through each of them now. Okay, so the first is Tab, and with Tab you can change the available layer, so you can switch between the underlay and the overlay. And as underlay we have here CT scan, and overlay are some PET data. You can see that the image signal change and also the color bars. I will go back to the CT, to the underlay. The second one is Control and Q, and this will close the Imalytics Preclinical software, so I won't demo it here because to time reasons. Next one is Control and I. And this one opens the image information, and here you can find some information about the underlay, the overlay and the segmentation. Next one is Control and Tab, and this changed the channels, and because the underlay has only one channel, it's only CT, I have to go to the overlay as selected layer, and now I click Control and Tab, and you can see that I change from the FDG signals to iodine and now to technetium. And in this way, using this shortcut, I can cycle through the channels. Okay. Next one is Control and W. And this one opens the windowing dialog, in this case for the technetium, and now you can adjust the windowing settings. The next one is Control and T. And this opens the tutorial button, and now you can select from our tutorials. You can choose an example dataset, a tutorial video, or you can show the white paper. The next one is Control and L, and this one hides and shows the selected layer. Okay, next one is Alt and P, and this one shows and hides the segmentation. You see, now it's hidden, and now it appears again. Next one is Alt and A, and this one opens and closes the axial slice view. The next one is Alt and C, and this one opens and closes the corona slice view. And the next one is Alt and S, and this one opens the sagittal slice view or closes it. We also have Alt and 3, and this one opens and closes the 3D rendering. Again, here we go. Next one is Alt and I, and this changes the input class. When you look at the left corner here for the input class, I can go through all the input classes. Now we have liver, kidney, unclassified, heart, thyroid, liver again. Alt and O changes the output class. We have now heart as output class, then thyroid, liver, kidney. Control and O closes a project like this. Now Control and O opens a project. You can open a project. To save a project you have to press Control and S, and to close it it's Control and F4. Another very handy shortcut is Control and Z to undo things. Let me go to the scribble menu, and then to the underlay, and for example when I draw some scribbles and now I press Control and Z, I can undo it. And to explain the last 4 shortcuts, it's very useful that I already chose the Scribbles menu. So the last one is F1 to F4, and they are assigned to the Scribble menu. With F3, you can, let me do it again here, you can segment Scribbles to the red mask. With F4, you accept the Scribbles to the output class. I will add a temp class. Now we have here the temp class. F1 is to clear Scribbles. Now my Scribbles are cleared. And F2 is to cut Scribbles. Like this. Okay, and that's it. That were all the shortcuts we have implemented in the Imalytics Preclinical software yet. And yes, I recommend to try them out in your own analysis, because this will make your workflow faster and much smoother. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.